Hello, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide cash on delivery based on delivery types and shipping titles at Shopify checkout using KlinKode PayRules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. From the Select Payment Methods dropdown, choose Cash on Delivery. Now let's define when this payment method should be hidden. Now skip all these section and scroll to the bottom for Delivery and Country section. First, select Local Pickup from the Delivery Types dropdown. Once you click the Create Rule button, customers selecting Pickup as their delivery option will not see the Cash on Delivery option at checkout. Let's see it in action by creating the rule first. Currently, Cash on Delivery is visible because the delivery type is set to shipping. Let's switch it to Pickup and observe the change. As expected, the Cash on Delivery option disappears because we've chosen Pickup as our delivery type now. Now, let's adjust the rule to hide cash on delivery based on shipping titles. Return to the rule and modify it. We don't need to add delivery types this time, so let's remove Pickup from Delivery Types field. Add Standard to the Shipping Title field and update the rule. Let's revisit the checkout page. Let's reload the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery is available because current shipping method or title is set to international shipping. Let's change it standard. And as expected, Cash on Delivery is gone. That's it. Simple way to manage cash on delivery with KlinKode PayRules. Contact us if you need help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.